Hello everyone. In 2025, Bybit remains one of the most active exchanges. And many investors are encountering this platform. However, for the first time, actually try to get started, about where to begin, from signing up for Bybit to KYC verification and deposits and withdrawals. So today, I will summarize the essential procedures that beginners on for those who are feeling this way. With this video, I will perfectly assist you in preparing to start on Bybit. You can choose either your email or phone number to enter. And I will proceed with the email option. When entering your password, it must be a maximum of 30 characters, and it must include at least one special character and one uppercase letter. So please keep that in mind while entering. After you click the button below, you will need to solve the puzzle for identity verification. If you registered with your phone you would have received a text message, and you would have received a verification code. If you don't see the verification code email in your inbox, please make sure to check your spam folder. Once you enter the verification code, your Bybit registration will be complete. Now, KYC is required to start trading. I will access the mobile app Store or Play Store to install the Bybit app. If the installation is complete, please launch the app and click on the login button. You can proceed to log in with the account you registered earlier. I will proceed with KYC verification by clicking Verify Now. First, please press this button and set the top region select to Korea. Your preferred verification method from the driver's license, resident registration card, passport, or residence permit, and press the confirm button. I selected below the driver's license, and you must allow only access while using the app for taking the photo. Next, I will select all countries. The United States. Now, please take a photo of the front side of your driver's license. Please wipe the lens to avoid any shadows and take a clear photo. Then, for identity verification, align your face within the frame and take a selfie. After waiting a moment, if you click on the left profile icon, you will see a check mark indicating that the KYC verification has been completed. Finally, there is the security verification. In this state, please select the right gear. And I will click on security. In this state, if the Google OTP app is not installed, please make sure to install it from the App Store or Play Store before proceeding. If the app is installed, I will check the Google item below. Then please proceed with identity verification via text message or email. After you click Continue, I will copy the corresponding key. After copying the key, please access this app. Click the plus button at the bottom right, and then click Enter. For the code name, please enter it in a way that is comfortable for you, and then insert the key you just copied into My Key. And if you click Add, the Bybit will appear on the screen like this. Now, go back to Bybit, click Get Code, and enter the Bybit on this screen. To complete the security verification, those who find it difficult and listen together two screens. I think it would be good to pause this scene and proceed. You need to deposit funds for the transaction. This is the deposit method for Bybit. Using Upbit is essential, and I will proceed by sending the tether. There have been many requests for PC, it will be done on PC. Please access Bybit and in the top on the right corner button. Next, please select USDT, and then I will select Tron below. If you click the button below, a wallet address will appear like this. After stopping in this state, search for Tether, the next Upbit, and access the Tether purchase window. You can buy as much Tether as you want to send to Bybit below. And if you have completed the purchase, please click on Deposit Withdrawal to check the Tether you bought. After clicking on Tether, please click on Withdrawal on the right. For the next withdrawal, please make sure to select Tron, just like on Bybit. And after deciding on the withdrawal amount, you can proceed with the withdrawal request. Please make sure that the deposit network is the same. I would appreciate your confirmation, and if the recipient's address input field has appeared, click the copy button to Bybit and copy the address. Please return to Upbit, paste it, and then click the withdrawal button. Finally, if you verify this channel with your desired method, the withdrawal will be completed on Upbit, and the deposit will be completed on Bybit. The USDT deposited in this way goes into the futures wallet. So you must transfer it to the futures wallet. To be able to trade futures, return to Bybit and then click on Trade at the top, followed by Bitcoin. After entering the trading screen, please scroll down to the bottom right and click on Transfer. Set the from and to appropriately, and I will set the coin to USDT. Once you adjust the quantity to the total, the button and the tether will be transferred to your futures wallet, enabling futures trading. For withdrawals, you can simply send from Bybit to Bybit, which is the opposite of the deposit process. Not only USDT can also be deposited and withdrawn. Now you can freely proceed with trading on Bybit screen. If you followed along this far, you've completed all the necessary preparations. From opening a Bybit account to KYC, verification and deposit. But you know that signing up for an exchange is just the beginning. And what's really important is how to trade. Bybit, as a global exchange, used by millions of people around the world, has a high level in coin futures trading. But everyone knows that it also has significant price volatility and a high risk of loss. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, that's all for today's video. Notifications. Thank you all for watching today as well.